I have the KZ ZS12 X Pro here with me. Let's unbox it. Now there is something really insignificant about KZ. What they do is their premium and entry level IEMs have the exactly same kind of packaging. They barely do any premium kind of packaging, and there are few IEMs. I have seen the ZS24 or something like that have slightly more premium packaging, but this is a 50-60 dollar IEM, and this has the exactly same kind of packaging as the $10 IEM. And I believe KZ should provide their premium or even this kind of IEMs with slightly better packaging. Now the model I have does not have the switches because I opted to not have the switches. If we look into the specification, no switch. As you guys can see, no switch. It has microphone but no switch. We have 25 ohm of impedance and 106 dB, which is perfectly fine. I do not see any problems with that. It looks nice. It should have very good sound quality for the asking price of just $50. We are getting 1 DD and 5 BA drivers, and the build quality is very good too. The ZS series has metal build, and I'm expecting very good build quality from these IEMs. And KZ can have a bit of QC issues, but not always. So one do not need to really worry about the QC, but yeah, you cannot be very sure that KZ will not have any QC issues, but there are a lot of brands that have QC issues like Moondrop and stuff. So yeah, QC is a concern for a few Chinese IEM brands, and KZ is one of them. They had some issues with a few of their planar based IEMs, but I believe this should be decent. There should not be any issues with the ZS12 Pro X. We are getting a very generalistic kind of cable, nothing special here. These cables, now this is what really baffles me. This is a $50 IM and comes with nearly exactly same cable as the $10-15 IM. So they are not exactly distinguishing their uh, expensive products from their entry level products. So maybe they are targeting the entry level market here. I'm not exactly sure what they are doing, but yeah, they are doing something like that. We have foam tips already placed on the earpieces. Let me show you. Yeah, we have the foam ear tips already on the earpieces, and look at the texture. The metal texture is fantastic. It looks very good. I'm really liking this kind of metal texture. This is metal, a bit on the heavier side, and usual KZ like or QDC like pin. Very good build quality. It looks fantastic. Let's have a look at the earpieces. Yeah, the nozzle is fairly long too, so one should not have any issue with fit or anything like that. Very supple, very supple. I do not think this will fall off or anything like that. So very supple kind of foam tips, very comfortable, should be very comfortable inside the ear. Let's have a look at the rest of the tips. Wow, these are really hard to rip apart. In any case, the usual starline tips, same tips that come with their cheaper IM. So yeah, there is no special treatment for this $50 IMs. 50-60 dollar IMs of KZ are as cheaply packed as the $10-15 IM. So that kind of is not exactly fair. You should get slightly better cable and maybe a carry pouch too, but they do not care about that. In any case, this is the unboxing of KZ ZS12 Pro X. Thank you for watching, guys. Have a nice day. Enjoy.